Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to be doing another melted hairline series review. This is the style Arlissa and I got it in a different shade, ginger brown. We are going to try it on. You guys know I'm kind of a little bit scared of color when it comes to wigs, but I decided to try another color, so I'm trying ginger brown. So we're gonna see how it looks on me. If you're not already, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I will have my previous videos in the cards above. I'm trying to use them more often. So yes you guys, but don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'm excited. Let's get into this video and let's see how this wig goes. It is literally 1:47, so excuse me if I'm talking a little bit slow. I just wanted to get this video filmed because I was excited, so I just had to do it. So stay tuned and let's see what this wig is talking about. Okay you guys, so I got the stock card and this is Arlissa in ginger brown, specialty colors in the back. Let's see, deluxe wide lace parting, pre-attached elastic band, redesigned comfort fit ear contour, natural baby hairs. You guys know about this series. There's a lot of videos and reviews on YouTube, but I think that this color is beautiful and is different. Okay, let's open this up. I'm excited. So I already cut the lace, so yeah, one comb in the back, and two combs on the side. I think I'm addicted to wigs now. I think I got like 8 or 9. Okay, so let's go ahead and, oh my god, it's a pretty color though, like an orange. Okay. Oh. Are y'all seeing this color in the curls? Okay. Let's try it on. So I got my stocking cap. Let's fast forward this. Alright y'all, so I will definitely insert some clips in this video. My final thoughts of this wig. I love the color. The cons is only one con for me, and it's that this side is flatter than this side. This side has bouncy curls. This is flat, but then it has bouncy curls here. I didn't run my hands through it a lot, but I kind of like it this way. That's really the only con, it's just this side, but the color is beautiful. I had to kind of get used to it, so I took some time to just like look at myself and see if I really liked it. So I think I do. I look like a mom or auntie. Nothing wrong with that. Super cute, very short length if you don't want to rock a long wig. Beautiful color is just awesome. I can't wait to get this color again in another style. And I just look like a grown woman, and I'm fine with it. I did not glue this wig down. It is just I just put it on my head, as you saw in the clip. I put it on my head, you know, adjusted a little bit, and just played with the curls. So I mean, I don't have nothing else to say. It's a cute wig. There's nothing bad about it. The only thing is the curls needs to be more room, but I'm pretty sure I can add some heat to it to make it a little bit better. But I'm getting used to looking at myself with this hair, so you know, it's kind of growing on me. So yeah, but that's basically it. No shedding, not that many tangles, maybe just 1-2 snags like now, but other than that, minimal shedding. No shedding, honestly. Maybe when you cut the lace, but that's it. People have reviews on this wig, so I will link, you know, a couple of them down below, the ones that I watch. So yeah, and watch mine too, of course, before you watch theirs. Watch mine. But yeah, other than that, you guys, that is it. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe down below for more videos with me. I love you guys so much. I do appreciate you guys. I'm going to sleep because it's really late, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.